Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Julia and this is Julia's Crafting Space. In this video, I will show you how to make a burlap patriotic wreath. So my burlap wreath is already made. I have a tutorial on how to make this in my previous video. So this one is a pre-made wreath, but I will show you how to make the bows and how to tie them to your wreath. So first, let's start off with the largest bow for this wreath. And you will start with adding your pipe cleaner to the bow maker. And then you will put your tails and you add your loops. So we're gonna make a total of 7 loops. 7 loops are gonna measure about 6 inches. And then the smaller loop is gonna be the last one. That's the loop you're going to put in the middle of your bow. I also have a video on how to make bows. If you're interested in that, just the video on bows. It's not showing how I make the wreath. And you can watch my previous video on how to make a burlap wreath. It's very easy and it's very self-explanatory, and you can watch the whole thing. So if you like the farm style look for your homes, a burlap wreath is a really good option for you. Just make sure it's not directly to the rain or too much in the sunlight. Okay, so let's continue with making our bow. And if you don't have a bow maker, you can do it without it. So I do have a tutorial on how to do a bow without a bow maker. And it's also really easy, but it's just easier for me to use a bow maker because I have really small hands. So it's just easier for me to make the bow. So now we twist the back of the bow and we're gonna tie it. Well, we're gonna cut the tails and then fluff the bow, and then we're gonna tie it to the wreath. So for this wreath, I used a 18-inch frame. The burlap, it's a total of 4 rolls of burlap. And I got them from Hobby Lobby. This ribbon, I got it from Michael's. So if you go to Michael's right now, it should be, I believe, $3.99. It was $4.99 when I first got it, but then I went back and it was $3.99. Also, a really good tip. If you want to keep your bow stiff, you can spray it with Mod Podge. And make sure to get the one that's for indoors and outdoors, because there's one that's only, I don't know, it's just a spray kind of Mod Podge, and it has aerosol, and I believe it's not good for heat. So it wouldn't work if your wreath is outdoors. So I just got the one that's for indoors and outdoors. Alright, so this is how it's looking. And now we're gonna work on the small bow. So we're gonna do this style of ribbon. And for this wreath, you need 2 rolls to make all your bows for the wreath. It's going to be a total of 7 bows. So there's a lot of repetition. So remember to add your pipe cleaner and then add your ribbon to make your bow. So this one is going to measure 5 inches long. Well, the tail is going to measure 5 inches long, and the loops are going to measure about 3.5. and it's going to be a total of 6 loops. And then when you're done with your loops, you're going to add another tail, just like the bottom one. So when you're working on your bow maker, make sure the print of the ribbon is on top, and then you twist, and then you do it again. That way, when you finish your bow, the print is always showing. Do you prefer burlap wreaths or grapevine wreaths? Which ones are your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you would like to see more of my designs, you can check my Instagram at Wreaths by Julia, and you can see all my designs that I've made since 2020. It's when I started making wreaths. I will make more different styles in the future if you subscribe to my channel for more videos and different craftings as well. So here I'm just cutting off the tails, and then I'm going to fluff the bow and tie it to the wreath. Also, don't forget to like this video. It really helps with my videos, and it lets me know if you like this type of content, or if you would like to see something different. Just let me know in the comment section. So this is how it looks, and now we're gonna tie it to our wreath. Okay, here we go. So this customer ordered 2 wreaths. So I'm working on this order, and I'm also making a video for you guys at the same time. Okay, and because I don't want to make this video super long, I was just going to show you how it looks when you're done with your wreath. So this is how it's going to look. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. You have a nice day.